have you guys on the call. Super nice. Okay, so today being the first time that we're going live for this new year, it's an amazing time, I must say, because having you guys join me for all through the year 2022, and this time 2023 we are starting out again. It's an amazing stuff. I just like the fact that uh anytime that I drop the link, you guys are always following through and following up. All right, so I'd just like to know where you guys are joining in from, just as we always love to do. All right, let me know you guys location, and then just show some love in the comment section, and also drop the like button too as well. All right, so let's go live. Let's share screen. So I'm not going to be taking too much of your time. All right, so I'll just go ahead and share with you guys what I'm looking at right now, what I'm looking at on GBPUSD. All right, so we all can notice that GPS is currently on a consolidation spree. Everything is consolidating, it's moving sideways, and obviously, where we are expecting price to slash through is the downside, because we have an impulsive move. It's corrected at this point, and then price should still continue to the downside. All right, so that's what I'm watching out for, and you guys should be doing the same thing too. Now, how should you act today being a holiday? I mean, most banks are on holiday, everyone is on holiday, most companies are on holiday. So how should you act? For me, ideally, I wouldn't want you guys to trade this time. Do not trade, because the volume is low ever since morning. The market started rolling. You can check, the volume is so low. Do not trade. But however, how you should be acting all throughout this week, obviously you shouldn't. I know some of you wouldn't want to keep to yourself all through the week. You may want to trade at some point or the other. All right, so what you can do is, from when the volume is coming up a little bit, let's say from Wednesday, Thursday, okay, Wednesday, Thursday, then you can start placing trades for more of sales, because I see more of sales happening here, because just all consolidation, then to slash down. All right, you can do sales somewhere around here, because I'm seeing the first bounce. This is somewhere around the second bounce to go to the downside. All right, so that's what I'm looking out for. So let me stop sharing here and then tell you what's really most important. Now it's a new year. You guys are expecting that we should have New Year resolutions. In as much as I love New Year resolutions, I won't stop letting you guys know that your New Year resolution might not be different from what you said last year, and that didn't happen this year. If you don't put into perspective that you need to change some things. All right, you need to change your mindset, you need to change how you look at things, you need to change things that you pay attention to on charts. All right, start focusing on one pair or two pair. What is most important to me is, make sure you start looking out for the pair that gives you the most money from your history of last year. Go back to your 2022 trading history and check out the pair that gave you the most money. Start focusing on it. The pattern that you traded well, that gave you more of your TPs, more of take profits. All right. Go back to your charts and start looking out for the trade that stresses you less. That didn't that just when you enter in, it went to your take profit and then hit it out. These are the things that you have to start doing right now. Okay. Once you have put that into perspectives, and then you have to make sure you have enough capital to trade. Having enough capital to trade is a big deal. Like, it's a long thing that would determine whether or not you're going to be successful in the long run or not. That determine the profit you make. All right, so you want to make sure you are working with the right prop firms. You're working with the right prop firms, like, or you're working with the right people that are ready to give you money to trade. Now, do you know there are many people out there that are really willing to give you money for you to trade for them, but one thing they just want you to ascertain, they want you to guarantee them is, Jeff, can you trade this money and not blow off this money? Or even if you blow it off, can you make them back? Can you how much can you give us? What is the risk to reward? That's what they would just want you to ascertain. That's what they want you to just promise them. So if you can do something like that, all right, you can talk to a family, you can talk to a friend, but please do not allow this to be like a division or disunity among you. Make sure you take money that you know you can afford to cover back if anything goes south and stuff like that. So that's what you should just be working on. All right, that can make you to 10x to triple x your return, your earning this new year. All right, so I can see people who are joining from different uh, part of the world. So we have people from Nairobi, we have someone from Nairobi again, from India, you have someone from Nigeria, which is from Kwara State. and we have people from Nigeria, and so on and so forth, Rwanda, from Kirby, from India again, from Ghana. So you guys are welcome. Port Harcourt, Akwa Ibom. Nice, nice, nice. You guys are well recognized here. Okay, so with all these things said, and we have someone from UK, Maryland, Maryland, from Colombia, okay, and so many other people watching it. All right. So with all these things said, you have to make sure you set goals that are actually achievable. Set goals that are achievable. Now, goals does not really have to be a very big stuff that, oh, I want to buy a car, I want to buy a house, I want to buy a yacht. Now that's not a bad goal, it's a good thing. But you have to make sure you start putting your goals into perspective. Make sure it is a goal within where you are right now, is a goal that has a reach. You can actually reach those certain goals. All right. So you have to set a goals that and put a time to it, and you know they are achievable, and it's something that you really do want. All right. So that's something that is also all right. I think I'm back. Sorry about that. The network is a little bit it's fluctuating. That's because the Wi-Fi I'm currently on is having network issues or something. Sorry. Yeah, I've got cold here. I've got cold and catarrh, and that's that's an infection that to me most of the time whenever there's cold with me around. 'Cause I'm not a cold. I'm not cold friendly at all. All right. So let's go. So someone said he has a testimony. Please, if you have a testimony, please can you write that out in the comments post? I'll read it out loud. All right. We have that. Jeff, I've registered for mentorship, but I've not yet been added to the private group. Immediately register for mentorship. An email is sent to you. Click that email. The link included in that email. Click that email. Then that link it will take you to your group where you should be at right now. All right. So I was saying something about setting goals. Just set simple goals. Like someone, let's use this guy as an example. He said, where's the guy? Where's the guy? He said, this is from Makia Forex. Look at his goal. He said, my goal is to help people become millionaires by Forex trading. Okay. Help people to become Forex millionaire trading Forex. Now, this your goal is an amazing thing. Number one, not just because it is selfless, it is because you want to help other people to become millionaire, to become okay financially. Now, what you have to do, including this your goal, is I want to help two people, I want to help three people to become millionaire through trading before June 2023. Something like that is more achievable. You understand? So then you are focusing on two people. Then you just know, okay, I want to take this person, I want to take this person. Maybe you can say, I want to take this person from I don't know, maybe from Instagram, and I want to take this other person from YouTube. All right, these are the two people I want to be working with. Or you can say three people. It depends, but you have to put a number to it and have a time duration fixed to it. You understand? So if you say you want to buy a car, for example, that's for your example. Then let's say someone else says, oh, I want to buy a car this year. That's good. But not just enough. You have to say, I want to buy a Mercedes Benz 2021 model or 2022 model by August. And this is what I need to do. This is what I need to do in order for me to hit that. Stuff like that. And then you have to narrow it down to the trades you have to be taking. All right. I only have to be taking trades with high probable setup. I only have $1,000. And in order for me to get this Mercedes Benz or Mercedes, I need to get say about I don't know, say about $50,000, and then you have to start taking highly risky trades. What are the chances of you making $50,000, $49,000 rather off of your 1K? All right, that chances might be so low. So you have to look for a way to increase your capital to either increase your capital so you'll be able to make a very good return. You understand? Things like that. That's what you have to start working towards, and then you definitely will hit your goal. All right. Um, please, Jeff, can you share a link to my baby peeps calculator? Yes, I can do that right now. This is the link to my position size calculator. I just dropped it in the comments. Go ahead and use that to calculate your risk and stop over leveraging. Jeff, how can I reach you? How you can reach me is simple. Just go on my Instagram, and then you're going to see our phone number, my Instagram message. Or phone number is better because we have a lot of customer support that will help you out right there ASAP. All right. Okay. Okay, I did go Onyinye. He said, I just joined Forex. I have not finished my lessons. Okay, good. Go ahead and finish up your lessons, and then you can come back with your questions every Mondays. All right. Because this is from Ania Kem SN. I answered this before. Maybe the network was messing up. Now, if you have registered for mentorship with us, all right, you have to, a link is sent to you in your direct email box that you use in registering. There's a link in that your mailbox. Click on that link. It's going to take you to the respective group where you should be at. If you are for monthly, you see a link to your monthly Telegram. But if you're for yearly, you're going to see a link to WhatsApp. Here's another interesting question. When would you start trading? I'll start trading, say, third week of January or so. Third week of January. Why not second week? Second week, I have a program which is FX Millionaire that is coming up. So that would be a distraction. So that's why I'm not going to be trading. But third week, I should be done with all of those things. Then I will start trading properly. So for those who do not know what we are in on, we have Forex Millionaire Expo that's coming up on the 14th of January 2023. We are going to be featuring all the top Forex traders all across Africa. So we are expecting people from South Africa, Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, Namibia, any other country, Nigerian too. We are expecting a lot of them. All right. So this time we are currently, the tickets are up on sale on all platforms, and this is a major platform where you can actually see these tickets for sale, which is, and now we are currently on sale with the tickets. So because of the new year, we are giving away 20% off of these ticket prices. All right. These tickets are very affordable. They are very cheap based on what you're going to be getting and people you get to speak with. And on top of that, we are going to be giving it 20% off of this ticket. And that day, there are going to be a lot of giveaway. There's about 200,000 up for grab for trading accounts. So if you don't have money for your trading account, we have that all available for you at this Forex Millionaire Expo. Apart from the inspiration, apart from the motivation you'll be getting, apart from the strategy that you're going to be getting from people too that are going to be coming, trust me, this is really an exciting thing. It's a place you should be at. We have spent 365 days behind our charts on our laptop, behind our phone devices, just trading, buying, clicking buy and sell on our MT4 and MT5. I mean, this is a time you should just come, grab some motivation from your brother, not necessarily from even the speaker, from someone who might can just be your seatmate, person who are around you. All right. Take that and then run for the rest of the year. So that's why we are starting this on January 14, 2023. Okay, you guys should be there. So in order for you to get your ticket, you have to just come to January. You have to click I think for you to get your tickets, come to fxmillionaireexpo.com. I don't think I know. I'm very sure of that. Come to fxmillionaire.com. I'll show you on the screen right now. So we have tickets for 5,000 naira, which is just less than $7. Also $7, and then you can join us with that. All right. Let me show you the website where you can actually purchase your ticket here. So you can come here, fxmillionaireexpo.com, and you purchase your ticket. For some reason, my network is so slow. That's why it's not being able to display. So I'm going to be posting the link to the slash price 20% off to my Instagram. I'm also going to be posting it to my Telegram. All right. So if you're not there, please kindly check the description box so you can be a part of this platform, and then you follow me up there and you see updates from me from time to time. All right. All you have to do on the discount is when you want to click, when you get to the purchase, click on register. The coupon code is HNY20, HNY, which is Happy New Year 20, HNY20. So when you click on that, that should bring you 20% discount. All right, HNY20. And that's gonna be it. So the coupon code again, coupon code, let me type it out. Coupon code to get 20% off is HNY20. All right, we'll be expecting you guys at the Expo, so we can do anything to make sure you guys are present there. As soon as it's about the money, you guys will notice what we have planned is way more than your money you're paying for. It's way more than the money that you're paying for. All we have planned out for you, the food, the people that we are bringing in. You guys to know all these things cost money. Do not listen to the naysayers. You know all these things cost money to actually bring up. And then we are doing our own part to also bring in a lot of money into the table. And then we also need you to show your side of commitment. So that's why we need you guys to pay this small token to make sure, okay, I'm coming, I'm committed, I want these things, I want to be a part of what you're doing. So that's why I am bringing this small token to even further spicing things up for you guys to know that it's not just about your money. That's why we have to bring about this coupon code. So if you are paying right now, which is this new year, you're going to be adding this coupon code, which is HNY20, to whenever you check out, and then you're going to be getting 20% massive discount on top of your purchase. So we have exclusive, we have regular coupon on all level, on all the levels. So for standard access, you're going to be paying 5,000 naira. For premium access, is $100, and exclusive access is $250, which is equivalent to 175,000 naira. And you can even get this 20% off. All right, just click on buy tickets. Say you want to buy for the exclusive, click on buy ticket. This exclusive come with a dinner. It's not just that program. You're going to have dinner with all the speakers for the exclusive, having dinner with all these people. If it's something that you really want to do, it's not something I'm forcing down. I don't want to force anything down, but it's something that you really want to do for this new year. You want to network with people of like minds, then go ahead for this one. Then click on buy ticket. Then this buy ticket should take you to another screen. It shouldn't be this slow, but my network is slowing things down. Click on here, plus here, and then click on buy ticket. Any one of them. Add as many as you want tickets. Maybe you want to buy for friend, mentee, or even buy for your mentor. Any one of them. Click on buy tickets. They should take you to another page where you get to include your coupon code. All right. So after including your discount code, okay, put here your name, blah blah blah, all this nice stuff. Then she take you to the next one. Then you add your coupon. Then that will be it. All right. So let me stop here. That's just how you can go ahead and purchase. All right. Just know that the coupon is HNY20. HNY20. All right. Amazing. Alexander Casey said it will be there live. And many other people said they will be there live. Now, amazing. So this is going to be happening or in Lekki Coliseum Center in Lagos. It's going to be happening in Lekki. All the forest traders are going to be there live on the 14th. All the forest traders in Africa, they're going to be in one room, in one room. All right. So for those who want to join us remotely that can't make it, maybe you are far away in another country, but for those who are in Nigeria, you all should be there. You all should be here with us. But if you are far away, we are definitely making solutions so you can join us. All right. But that's not yet live. We are making solutions, and we'll announce that this coming weekend. Okay. Before the week runs out, I should announce that. All right. The code is working, guys. Thank you. Say the code is working. Thank you. So get your 20% right now off, and this will stop very soon. If you are getting tickets right now, get your 20% off right now with HNY20. So that's it. And you're also going to be seeing people around that you're going to be seeing. Here are some of the people you'd be seeing. Let me show that. I know people are asking, who are we going to be seeing? You'll be seeing, just check this website, fxmillionaireexpo.com, and many other traders. Just trust whenever we are coming up with stuff here in Nigeria, it's always very massive. Okay. Okay, let's talk about location for FME is Lekki Collision Center. Lekki Collision Center. Okay. Lekki Collision Center, Lagos State, Lagos, Nigeria. That's the location. All right. Yes, for my mentorship too, discount is on. We have we have discount on for the mentorship. So you can go there, firepipsfs.com for the mentorship if you want to be a part of that. Firepipsfs.com. And we have all payment means available, all payment method available for you guys. Okay, so now let's go. Now here's another very important question from Nobel. Nobel is asking, say, can you explain gap in trading market? Okay, now let me explain what let me explain with graphical representation. In other words, what Nobel uh, what Nobet is asking is there are times when the market opens to the next trading session, there is a gap. I think I'm trying to look for an example so you guys will understand best. But gaps happen, say, during the close of work on Friday, the market has closed. Then for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, markets are still closed. So, and maybe Monday very early, Monday for some, Monday open, market opens on Monday for some it can be Sunday. All right. So, but just know that when market opens the next week, then you would notice that there's a gap between where it opened the last time where market closed and now. So what happened there is there are probably some activity that happened between the close of market up until when it opened. So what broker would do, broker would just immediately quote price at where price is currently at. Say GBP USD is closed at 1.20509. This is hypothetical. It's an example. Say it closed here, and then maybe tomorrow market opens, and then GBP USD became higher, maybe at 1.20800. You know, this price will just immediately jump and start here. So that's what we call gap. Most times, how to trade gap is most times gaps always get filled up. If a gap happen, it will come back down. If it gaps up, it's going to come back down. So that's why some traders take advantage of that. If they see a gap up happen, they're going to short to fill up the gap. So that's vice versa. All right, that's how that just basically works. I believe that answers your question. All right, so I was told by the team to explain. I know that the banks are on holiday, okay, but we are not extending the promos. So the promo time still ends for it ends on the third, which is tomorrow. For Fire Peep plan, you want to be a part of my mentor. You want to learn how I trade, how you can also be trade, how you can flip accounts, how to trade profitably, and all of that. So the promo ends tomorrow, which is third. So you can go ahead right now and pay through crypto, pay through any means that you can pay through card and any of those things. All right. And we have bank account details that you can transfer to anything at all. Just make sure you be a part. If you want to enjoy this, I think it's 15% discount on our mentorship. Go ahead and take that advantage right now. So for the mentorship, it is firepipsfx.com. In order for you to get that, firepipsfx.com. Let me pin that to the screen too. Any one of them that you'd be interested in getting, go ahead and make your new year count. All right. Now you are making new year resolutions. Also, take action by joining in any of this stuff that we are saying. So in our mentorship, we have yearly, we have monthly. So here's it, 15% off end of the year sales. And this is going to be ending on the 3rd of January. Okay, don't say I didn't tell you. In order for you to get this one, is AOY end of the year 2022 sales. So go ahead and get this one. So we have what is included in the mentorship. You're going to have a private contact, my private contact, and also you're also going to have access to live classes. You're also going to have everything is listed here at the bottom. You're going to see Wednesday live classes, my live trading signals, all the trades I'm in on will trade. As I'm profiting, you should be profiting. If I'm making losses, you'll be making losses too, but controlled losses. All right. Assignment and assessment, risk management, creating your trading plan, psychology, how to pass all prop firms. And you're also going to be how to stack and exit trades, how to trade small accounts, how to trade huge accounts, how to get angel investors and many other things. That's what you're going to be getting. So this is for monthly, this is for yearly. And also popular there's a popular demand on the 6-month plan. So 6-month plan is going to be launched this year before February ends. So be on the lookout for that for 6 months. For those who are not able to get the yearly, you'll be able to get the 6-month plan. So that will be coming pretty soon. All right. So thank you as you watch out for that. Start taking action very soon because prices might be changing. All right. Prices might be changing. So with that said, that's going to be it today. Let me just take some questions relating to forex. So ask questions relating to forex this time around only. Questions relating to forex only, please. Okay. So can I start trading with $10? Someone asked a question. Famzi said, can I start trading with $10? I've been learning from you for 2 months now. Yes, you can start trading with $10. There's nothing impossible with trading. It is possible. But what you have to do, you have to learn how to manage small accounts. In managing small account, there are two things you have to put into perspective. Number one, have a very clear confluence of your entry. And number two, manage risk, maximum risk. And also know while managing risk, know that you can effectively or professionally manage risk with $10. All right. So it's either you're risking 50% at the time or more, because 50% is just $5 and that's almost nothing. And you have to make sure you are risking, I mean, you are using small loss, which is 0.01 at all times. You only get to add new position if price move in your favor. So keep doing that, then you start seeing results. Only scale when you start seeing result. And trust me, managing small accounts is way difficult than managing big accounts. All right. Maybe if you construct your questions very well in the comment section, I might just get to read them out. So I won't just read out any comments that is not, I mean, any question that doesn't, that I don't even understand. Okay, this is from Michelle Ndem. He said, thank you for sir for the giveaway you did. Yes, he's a winner of our giveaway. I've been able to get a 5K prop firm account. My goal this year is to trade an account size of not less than 1,000 personal account. Okay, what in Michelle says is a winner of our giveaway that we did here on YouTube and on Instagram. Yeah, I remember him very well. And then he was able to get 5K prop firm account. So his goal this year is to be able to secure $1,000 from this 5K and then have it as his personal account. Now, what Michelle did not add now is to add a time frame to it. Maybe you can say in 6 months, in 7 months, in 8 months, in a year, stuff like that. Make sure, do not be scared to add a time frame to it. That will make you to sit up and sit tight. All right. So even if that time elapses, it is fine for you to have an extra time. All right. Have an extra time, know what you're able to achieve with those period, and then set a new goal. Having a time frame attached to your goal makes it it makes it more like, it just puts you on your toes. You don't just leave it open. All right. It makes it to appreciate your growth. Okay, it makes you to appreciate growth. Perfect. Okay, this person is he said, I've been trading for 2 years. I only watched 4 videos you taught on YouTube that had becoming a life now that has become a life changing. I made 360 USD profit with a 400 USD account. Thank you, sir. Now, DDFX, this is an amazing testimony. Now, you guys can see DDFX is doing really well. He has really watched just 4 videos that I taught online. Trust me, you don't even have to watch too much. You don't have to do too much. All you just have to do is watch one and take action. It's more about the action you take. You guys know where I started from a couple of years back and where we are at right now, where we are still headed. It's a lot. And Diri, I just want to let you know that this is just the beginning of your success. In as much as it's a skill set that you've learned, you've mastered just those 4 videos, and it's working, it's still relevant. You keep watching, and keep doing. Trust me, what you can achieve is massive. It's gonna be huge. All right. So keep taking that and keep going with it. Keep going with it. Keep going with it. All right. Right now, I'm not even capping it. I'm outside shopping. I just have to rush into one of my friend's car to make this video for you guys, because I set an alarm that, oh, in about two, okay, we are 1 hour ahead of the actual time. I said in about 1:50 I should come here. That's something I couldn't do a couple of years back. I've never even traveled before a couple of years back, but right now I'm doing all of this, and these are things that Forex could actually afford you. People are thinking that, oh no, this is being sponsored or anything. No, it is not. But people always believe what they want to believe. All right. So that's why we keep making the result. The result doesn't lie. Keep making the result, and the result speaks for itself. So that's why you need to be in this Forest Millionaire Expo to come and see things for yourself, to see if things are actually being sponsored or it's actually real. Don't worry, until we buy your house, you still think it's we buying your house is still being sponsored. Don't worry. Keep doubting. Keep doubting. Keep the doubts coming. We'll keep proving you wrong. Thank you, Diri. I'm super proud of you. What you want to do with this your $360 is make sure you make withdrawal. Make withdrawal of about $200, and then you know you're not risking too much. Make withdrawal. You can never go wrong making withdrawal. Make withdrawal. Make withdrawal. Let your broker pay you out immediately. Ah, no, 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 no. So this is from Emerald. So can I trade 5 lot within 20 working days on a $140 account? On a deposit, no deposit bonus. No deposit bonus. 20 lots is a lot. On a $40 account, that is a lot. But I'm careful to advise you on this account. I don't know the approach. I don't know the approach you want to have. If it's an aggressive approach, I might say $20. I mean 20 lots is fine. It depends. It depends. It depends. All right. So I just see someone just donated $5. I'm going to take your questions pretty soon. Just hold on. I'll take your question pretty soon. All right. So $20 is a lot for $140. Depends on what you're doing. So if you are stacking and you're adding multiple positions, I mean, it's possible, but it is too much for $140. But one thing I want to advise you is I wouldn't want, excuse me, I've got cold and cough. I would want to look at it in form of money. Instead, I want to look at it in form of percentage. If I have a small account like that, what will I do? What I would do is to start risking 20-25% at a time. So I'll let the level of my stop loss determine what my loss size would be. All right, that's what you should be doing. That's what you should be calculating. All right. So that's my advice to you. So I have my brother who donated the $5. Let me take his question because it's a must. I must take your question. How can I use TradingView as my trading chart? How can I use TradingView as my trading chart if my prop firm or broker only supported MT4 and MT5? What you do with your TradingView is to chart. What most people do with TradingView is to do analysis and then place trade on their phone and on their MT5, on their MT4, on their MT5. That's what I do too. But if you want to connect your account, your prop firm account to your TradingView, I don't think that's possible because TradingView only support a handful of a broker like Oanda, FXM, broker.com, Pepperstone, those brokers you see listed with those that pay. You see, if I want to share my screen right now, I go on here and I click on pairs. If I type GBPUSD, you see GBPUSD is a lot here, but it is as represented by the broker that they support. So they support FXCM, Oanda, Forex.com, Pepperstone. So if any of your broker that you are using, or which I don't think any prop firm have their brokers here, then it's not going to be supported. So the only way you have to do is sorry, excuse me. What you have to do is look for the broker, any charts of the broker that looks similar to what your broker, your prop firm has. The candlesticks that looks very similar to what your prop firm has. I've noticed I'm using XNET to trade on my personal account. FXCM tallies most. They represent their chart almost the same way XNET represent their candlesticks. So that's why you see I always use FXCM all the time. So you want to do the same thing on your end. So once you see that, just do your analysis here, and maybe you want to sell short here at this point. Then you put your short sign, go on your MT4 and place your trade and put your stop loss with the same parameters. That's how we do it. So your stop loss is going to be where this red line stop, which is 1.20667. Your entry is going to be instant. Maybe your entry is quoted at 1.20521, and then your take profit is going to be 1.20209. You understand? That's how you're going to be doing it. All right, that's how it works. Congratulations. So I think that's pretty much it. I have to rush back down because my guys are waiting for me out there. We are trying to do some shopping and get some things, then get ready and come back to my base, my country, because we can't wait to see you guys at the Forex Millennial Expo. It's gonna be lit. Trust me, it's gonna be lit, 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 lit. They're gonna be doing yours. It's gonna be a disadvantage to you if you have means and access to come and you're not coming, you're not there. They're just there. You don't want to come because you are beefing one person or the other. It's not gonna be favorable to you, man. Just come around. Maybe the person you are actually beefing, or you might just come there and then let's settle the fight. Come meet me. I don't like this guy. I want you to settle our fight. Or if it's me, you are beefing me, come around. Let's fight in physical. All right. Let's go. Okay, when are you resuming giving signals to your free members? That'll be when I start trading. You don't expect me to give signal when I'm not trading because I'll not be able to follow up those signals. All right. So I said I'm going to be trading. Maybe you came in late. You came in late, so I'll be trading from the third week of January. Because I would have said second week, but because I have a program second week, I can't start trading. But third week should be fine. Everything should ease down, and then we start taking trades, picking trades. Jeff, the link to register for FME 2023. Okay, so the link to register is just click on, I'm coming, let me put it out one more time. Use this link, guys, to register. It's pretty simple. fxmillionaireexpo.com. Use this link. That's right, the fxmillionaireexpo.com. Register and then we'll see you there. We'll see you there. What prop firm plan do you advise for first timer? What advice is use the evaluation one. Evaluation plan. Any one of them that you want to go to my Forex fund, FTMO, E8, anyone at all. Use the evaluation one. Is IC Market a nice broker? Yes, they are, but I actually recommend XNES right now. They are nice brokerage. Can I trade 0.04 lots in $100 account? Yes, it is fine. Depending on your stop loss threshold too. Make sure your stop loss is also very nice. Use the recent low though. 0.04 is a nice risk management on $100 account. Okay, he said, please, I'm finding it difficult to create a Tradingview account. So it's pretty simple. You can continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Apple account, any one of them. It's pretty just like signing up an Instagram account. All right, so that's what you have to do. So my discount code is not working on MFF because maybe they have probably discontinued that. So you can go over, they've discontinued that. That's why. All right, so that'll be it for now, guys. So let me go rush, and I'll meet you guys. Keep the conversation ongoing in a group chat and in a private message. And also, you can, if you have any question, reach out to our support team. You can call them now on WhatsApp or anywhere by just say 0700 fire peeps. Okay, which is 0347 0700 347 3747. Call them out on WhatsApp, or you can just chat WhatsApp or call. WhatsApp or call. Please make sure we know we have a business app. Call them during business time. So this line is open 8 p.m. Nigerian time and it closes 5 p.m. Nigerian time still. So these are the number right now displaying in your screen. Go ahead, chat them up on WhatsApp. That's our official WhatsApp line and our official call lines. If you have any question, hit them up there. Not trading related question. Maybe you have anything regarding our services, regarding FME, Forex Millionaire Expo, what you should be expecting. If you have problem with tickets, or maybe you've gotten ticket, you've paid for ticket, you've not gotten the actual barcode scan, send a message there and ask them question. Or you've paid for a mentorship, you've not gotten reply yet, please kindly send them a message right there. They will respond you. They will respond to you. It's really fast. But bye guys. That'll be it for now. Bye guys. Appreciate you all.